Hello and welcome back to Jakubication. Today you're going to learn about jump statements in JavaScript. Break, jump to the end of the loop or other statement. Continue, skip to the next iteration of a loop. Return, exit from a function and possibly return values. Also, can exit early if needed. Break by itself. The loop or switch statement will exit right away. If you're in a nested loop, it will exit both loops. Break by itself example. Let I equals 0 while I less than or equal to 10, log out I, if I equals 5, break. This will print out 0 through 5. Labels. You can label any statement. Rules for label names are the same as the rules for variables. Loops and conditionals are the two big ones you'll end up labeling. Break with labels. Using a break with a label terminates a statement that has a specified label. Break with labels example. You have an inner and an outer loop, and inside the inner loop, if j becomes greater than I, you're breaking out of inner. In every iteration of the inner loop, when you're not skipping it, you're logging out I and j. This ends up logging out 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2. Break, final point. Break cannot transfer control to other functions. Continue. Continue can only be used in the body of a loop to skip to the next iteration. Continue acts slightly differently in while loops versus for loops. While loops go right back to the top of the loop. For loops evaluates its increment expression. Continue example. For let I equals 0, I less than or equal to 5, I plus plus. If I equals 2, continue. This prints 0 through 5, but not 2. Return. Used to exit from a function, possibly early. Possibly returned values. If you don't specify a returned value, the function will return undefined. The function will still return undefined if you specify no return at all. Ciao.